DuoFrames have the flexibility to display artwork in two different ways, window mount or float mount. The window mount option offers a contemporary look, and these frames will fit any flat panel, cradled panel, or canvas up to 7/8 inch deep. The float mount option provides a traditional look for any flat panel artwork. By varying the margin of the frame's wide frieze, artists can accommodate multiple sized panels. Certain size cradled panels can be float mounted as well. Float mounting also provides an exciting display option for 3D and fiber artwork. And just like the rest of the Ampersand line of frames, hardware is included, making hanging a breeze. Affordably priced, the Ampersand Duo frames are available in duo colors, white or black, and come in 7 sizes ranging from 5x7 up to 12x12. The quality, solid wood construction maximizes small artwork for a high-impact presentation, and the timeless St. Ives style adds a bold touch to any space.